Okay. This is a lot of presents. Thanks, Beano. Okay. Okay. Let's start with the stickers. Now, I know these stickers, but I know we can't open them, so we're gonna have to leave them. Now, these are the Beano coloring pencils because there's 6 colors. It's yellow, red, blue, orange, green, and black. And this is a 64 jigsaw. 64-piece jigsaw Beano thing. It says, Beano has me in pieces every week. There's also some jokes on it at the back as well. There's even the Catapult Chaos card game. It's for 2 to 4 players and race against the other players to collect all the catapults before Mr. Richard confiscates them. I don't think we can play with that. This is an activity book. I have this back and I got it. Right. See? This is the Sense SOS, the toy workshop, and the other things that I did. So, and yes, here's the poster. Have you guys seen it once? This is also the Bastard Cults Yearbook 2025. Look. This is all the Beano characters. Beano has been around forever. Yeah, that is such a long time. We flip the back. This is what we get. This is like 12 Days of Christmas, but they added the Beano word in it. So, we're gonna... That's all we did. So, on the 12th day of Christmas, Beano sent to me 12 snowballs flying, 11 pies for pie fish, 10 sprouts of parping, 9 tomatoes splatting, 8 Elsa hiding, 7 Peaches shooting, 6 spooks of spook, and 5 banana skins, 4 rubber chickens, 3 stink bombs, 2 nashers, and 1 prank present under the tree. I think Beano is starting to get more popular. I bet you're wondering why. There's also a comic. It's called The Grumbus Who Stole Christmas. Let's read it. So, this is at the Christmas lights switch on. 5, 4, 3. What's that sound? The Perfect and the 2 Smirk agents. Dangerous Dan is the top spy ever. And these are the Bastard kids. They never behave and they break every single rule. Here are all the characters of the... See? See? And the water can exist in 3 states. Liquid gas and solid liquid in its neutral state. It becomes a gas when heated, so what would need to happen to make the water solid? See? Now let's move on. The Beano Powers Christmas. So there's €5 for the first 5 issues when you subscribe. Let's sign up. These, and here are the numbskulls. The little people that live in your head. Everybody has them. There's a lot going on in Ed's head. That's Brainy. That's, I don't know what these two are, but you're right. Alright, let's see. They do. There's also some jokes under the comic. You see here? This is Harhar's joke shop. Meet Beano Town's funniest family. This is Harry, the father of Harhar, and that's Sahana, the mother of Harsha, and Hina, the sister, the big sister, and that's Hani, the little brother. See here? We did some short rippings. Okay, and this is the Harsha's festive vlog. A Bluetooth speaker or phone with a music app installed. See? And now, Roger the Dodger. He's always got a trick up his sleeve. Christmas Eve. So this is Roger's gingerbread house. And this is the something I don't know. Alright. This is Nasser and Nipper. The Avengers of Beano Town's Menace Hounds. The postman was delivering a present, but then Nasser and Nipper got some yellow pants that are full of fleas. Jeez. This is Angel Face investigates Detective for Hire. And this is Billy Wiz, the fastest boy in the world. That's him right there. That's Calamity James, the unluckiest boy in the world. That's Ruby, the screw-top science person. That's Pieface, and that's JJ Jones. See here? And here is when little Eric gets banana, he becomes Banana Man. And that's him. Just beside there. And that's Dr. Gloom, and that's Alright. This is kind of like a game or something. This is a crossword that's amazing. That's everything. And this, the moment you've been waiting for, the Betty and the Yeti, the extraordinary girl and the ordinary girl and the extraordinary best friend. See. And this is Minnie the Minx. She's tougher than all the boys and is completely unstoppable. His dad went to see the cinema, to see the movie, The Angel Help Who Hugged Christmas. There are 2 tickets to the match. Many wants to see Try Hard, but that thing could be very terrible. As you see here. That's one from here. And this is the image on the top right from this image. And this is from this. And that was also from here. So, yeah. If you like Beano, let me know in the comments below. We love Beano. Your letters and photos and jokes. See? This is Sophie from Devon. That's Alice from County Durham. That's Josh from Clayton. I don't know. That's Rennie from London. Only messages allowed. So nice. So, yeah. That's Jim Jones, the ghost hunter. Hunts for ghosts everywhere at any time. Wait. Now this is the moment you've been waiting for. The Beano All Towns presents a heartwarming Christmas story, The Grumpus. It's kind of like the Grinch or something. I don't know. So this is what Minnie looks like without the berry and bows. It's Christmas morning and all over town a similar scene plays out. Even Roger is filled with festive cheer. But not one kid in Beano Town has received a present. Even the kids, it's definitely on the good list, have missed out. So, Minnie sends Santa down in his favorite armchair. That's the Grumpus. He looks kind of like the Grinch or something. So that night, Dennis's living room is soon full of really big presents. Until later in a cave in Mount Beano, suddenly, at the North Pole, the situation is quickly explained to Santa, who agrees to join the epic battle. And so it came to pass, at that Christmas, the children of Beano Town did battle with the Grumpus, armed only with cool stuff. The pump. So, but the suspect was Walter. Dad, I'm filming. Go. That's Walter, the tricker. He was the suspect everywhere. So coming next time, the kids' New Year's resolution is to create more mischief than ever. It'll be on sale until 1st of January. See you in 3 weeks. Well, that's it, guys. So, I'm also gonna make a resolution because, yeah. Make me a menace. Hi, I'm Iris, but you can call me Ice Queen Iris. This is what he looks like as a Christmas, so yeah. Well, hope you enjoyed the last unboxing video of 2024. And as always, you can go and watch my main channel to see the 3 unboxing videos that I posted. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed today's video, so I'll see you soon. Alright. Goodbye. And also make sure to make this video most popular on the internet because it totally deserves it because it's so good. Alright, well, thank you going. Till next time. Later, hot potatoes.
The end.